Botram.
Not only is it rich in traditional dishes which are characteristic of each region, Indonesia also has a rich culture in terms of enjoying existing traditional dishes. This is what makes each region more different from one another, and has its
Guys,
own
ini acara apa,
uniqueness.
guys?
One form of
Acara apa ini?
tradition of enjoying traditional food that is interesting to discuss is
Botram.
derived from the area of West Java or the Sundanese. Botram is a tradition of enjoying food together by spreading it on banana leaves. It is still widely practiced today. Botram is a tradition that can be considered quite sustainable because it is often found even in urban areas. What is the philosophical meaning of Botram and how did this tradition originate? The term Botram refers to one of the traditional ways in which the Sundanese people enjoy food when gathering with family members, friends, relatives or those closest to them. Sundanese specialties such as nasi liwet and fresh vegetables are usually spread lengthwise on a banana leaf that has been cleaned, usually in villages for certain celebrations. More than one number of leaves is used so that they are connected to each other lengthwise. The longer the banana leaves and side dishes are held, the more people can participate in eating together. Botram itself is not the only name because the term itself is more popular in the city of Bandung. In several other Sundanese regions, this sharing meal activity is known by many names including bangkaken, kukurik, ng alawiyat, and many more. Botram or whatever it's called has been around for a long time.